It is windy in upstate New York. Roofs are blowing off. People are blowing down the street. And yet, you can't come outside because you might blow away. It's like a tornado. This is really bad. Oh my God. I'm gonna get blown away. Do you guys like my new hairdo? They're saying 50 to 60 knot winds. This is nuts. I mean, this is really, really nuts. Oh my God, I cannot believe how much crap Watertown has to get before we actually have a real summer. Update. I'm still gonna do the giveaway. I gotta get to my gas tank. I'm gonna be doing some work on my gas tank. A friend of mine bought me a bigger gas tank, and I'm trying to get back there. Hold on. My snowblower's in the way. Come on, Francie. New update on the giveaway. I am going to be doing it. It's still in the works. There's going to be some rules with it. You have to comment of what movie I'm going to go see, but that will be next month. I'm going to be doing I'm going to lay out all of the rules and regulations that you need to do so that your son or daughter can win. But that's going to be fun. The next thing, I wonder if I can stand on this. The next thing is I'm going to be having, I'm going to be selling flowers and, sorry about the noise. Can you hear that? Can you hear the freaking wind? Holy shoot. I'm going to be selling, this summer, I am going to be selling flowers. I am going to be selling flowers, and I'm going to be also selling potato, or no. A couple plants that I'm going to be selling. That you can buy. Sorry about this. Oh my God. When you buy a portable gas tank, don't. I do have some new updates. I just got a camera. It's not the one that I was expecting. Hold on. It's not the one that I was expecting, but it's going to work. My videos on YouTube, the videos that I do use it for, I have to get a bigger chip, because the chip that I got for it, I need a bigger fucking garage, man. The chip that I got for it is too small for it to sweet. The chip that I got for it is too small to do the 4K, but all my videos will be, the videos home and some of them out at Can-Am will be 4K. When I do my interviews, that will be recorded and then uploaded to YouTube. About the, oh my god, it actually is cold out and it's raining now. Can't do an thing without some dumbass's dog barking. I am going to be doing another giveaway in the next month, or the month after that. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get that one out on time because of the other one that I got coming up. My mom is doing her wreath. She's doing, go to her page. You can get there for mine. She's doing Easter wreaths this year. She does have a few craft fairs, so I will be telling you where they're at. But the wind is really bad tonight or today. Council meeting tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna go because it's supposed to be raining, but I'm gonna try to make it down there because there is some things that need to be brung up. But we are having a windstorm. I can't believe this. This is nuts. But yeah, I don't know if I'm not sure if anybody knows this, but there is a new movie coming out next month that I'm going to be going to see. So not this month, but the month after that. So I might be doing one for that, but I haven't gotten anything yet for the giveaway. I am going to be doing it, so don't worry. But once I get everything, then I will show you what you're going to be receiving. And if you're interested in trying to win it for your son or daughter, interested in trying to win it, then that's good. Go to my page, like, comment, subscribe, and please, I'm going to get down on my knees. I need subscribers. So please, go to my channel. It'll be in the description after this video. And please subscribe and like and share it with your friends and family. I'm going to be doing more videos of the puppies. They're getting big. Zoe is now a year old. Bree is now 6 or 7 years old. Let me come in here. But please go to my channel, like, subscribe, you know, yada yada yada. But I just love the weather that we're having. Step outside, you get a new hairdo. But I will see you guys all later. They're doing some awesome stuff at Can-Am. I read one that was seeing some pictures where they're putting up new posts, new light posts. They're putting in new bleacher boards, so that's pretty cool. This year I'm going to try to get a sneak interview with somebody. I'm not going to say names, but there is going to be a lot more interviews this year, so stay tuned for that, and that will only be on YouTube. It won't be on here. But I will see you guys all later. Take care, and my prayers go out to the racers that were involved in the accident last night at the Daytona 500. My prayers are with you. See you guys later.